We're going to talk about turmeric. If you don't know what turmeric is, it's like an essential spice that's used in a lot of curry. So if you like Indian curry or Caribbean curry, that orange spice that gives it a nice yellow color, that's turmeric. So let's talk about that stuff. All right, we're going to talk about one of the bad things with turmeric, or a good thing, depending on how you look at it. So if you apply turmeric to your hair, to your beard line, mustache line, ladies, whatever it is known to lessen the hair. It is known to thin out the hair. So it is a natural hair remover. Over time, it will get rid of it. So if you have anything like a turmeric mask or like a face mask or something, make sure you keep it away from this area. Well, you can't see this part, but keep it away from the area that you don't want to have hair removed. Because what will happen is the hair will continually grow back, but it'll be thinner and thinner and thinner until it's completely gone. It's like laser hair removal. It gets rid of it slowly but surely. So if you are a person who's trying to grow your hair, or you're trying to do something, make sure you check the ingredients to make sure there's no turmeric in it, because you will start to lose that hair and then you're gonna be salty. And don't blame me, because I just told you about it, right? Good. So turmeric's also very good at anti-inflammatory properties. So we've been talking about anti-inflammatory stuff for a while now, and you should understand by now that I'm going to keep hammering it into your face that if your body is inflamed improperly, then you're going to have an issue. So having something like turmeric in your body that you're taking as a tablet, or you just put it, like I take the tablets, or I also put it on my food, or I put it on my salad, and when I'm making curry, I love this stuff. I put it on everything, anything, and whatever Chris will allow me to put it in, I do. Like I love making curry rice. I'm making curry rice later. But anyway, take the stuff, use the stuff, eat the stuff, drink the stuff, however you want to take it in. Just make sure when you're doing it, you're mixing with pepper. That's the thing a lot of people don't talk about, and I'm going to tell you right now, is that when you're taking turmeric, you need to also have with pepper. So if you have turmeric tea or something, you'll see in that tea it has pepper, because pepper helps your body absorb the chemical compound inside of turmeric to help with the anti-inflammatory properties. So, anti-inflammatory properties, good stuff. Yeah, you got that part, right? Okay, good. Oh, also make sure you subscribe to this channel here, this YouTube channel. Or if you're watching on IGTV, follow. I'm doing my best to give you all some really good tips here about like how to live a better life. Yeah, it's not because my life sucks or anything. I'm trying to make sure your life is better than mine, because my life kind of sucks. Okay, no, it doesn't. Have a good life. Okay, bye. So an old guy told me that his doctor, when he was going through like a bit of chemotherapy, they tried to put him on to like turmeric, because he had like a holistic doctor, and they said that the turmeric does a great job of fighting cancerous cells and like destroying new tumor growth. So, just try to avoid the whole cancer thing like altogether. So we're not trying to, fix it, but let's just avoid it altogether by taking in these kind of vegetables and these kind of fruits and stuff. Well, turmeric's not a fruit or a vegetable. It's more like a root. It's a root, like ginger root. Like, would ginger be a vegetable? Whatever. Anyway, take some turmeric. It's good for you. So another thing it does a wonderful job of is increasing the strength of your blood vessels, right? So it does a great job of getting them stronger so it can pump more blood to your heart. And a stronger heart, of course, means a stronger life. So if you are having some type of heart issues, or someone you know is having heart issues, try mixing a little bit of turmeric with a little bit of pepper into their tea or into their food, and see how it helps them in the long run. Because you gotta remember, a lot of these heart healthy foods like Cheerios or the cholesterol things, all they do is just extract from natural products, natural, fruits, vegetables, and stuff like that, and put it into their stuff to throw these labels on the front. But why not just take the real thing? If you just take the real thing, right, like no flugazis, the real thing, and eat that, your body will definitely appreciate you doing that. So give that a shot if you're having any type of heart issues, or if you're like me, trying to avoid that altogether, right? Because if you ever wonder why people on islands are living such an amazing, cool life, like they eat real food. It's that simple. All right, so another thing it does is it actually increases your brain level, your brain function. It raises up your brain's activity level, which can combat depression and Alzheimer's. So if you are suffering from depression or Alzheimer's, or someone that does have Alzheimer's or has depression, turmeric, a little bit of turmeric, just turmeric tea. The stuff. Okay, so turmeric tea doesn't taste that good. I'm gonna be honest with you. It is not one of my favorite tasting teas because I don't like the taste of the pepper that's in the tea, but damn does it make me feel good afterwards. So you know. Ah. This has nothing to do with turmeric. I just like honey.